Alright guys, I am going to walk you through the lab here. I've got my lab procedure and my lab kit with all my supplies. So first step, set up the acceleration device. Make sure the battery is inserted properly and make sure the switch is open. So I need to put my battery in. Okay, and you will see, okay, there should be a metal piece inside here. That's going to help you make this all run. So if I turn it on, it's running. We don't need it on quite yet. So now it says thread the spark tape through the loop on the acceleration device, making sure the tape runs through the wheel and the carbon disc. Okay, this is going to be key for you guys because if you do not do this correctly, you are not going to get the marks. So you should have a carbon disc. Just go ahead and take that off and thread your acceleration tape through the two staples that are there, making sure to go over the screw. You're then going to put your carbon disc back on, making sure that it goes between the screw and the acceleration tape, and then push pin it in there. And once I turn it on, it's going to make a mark on the acceleration tape. Give yourself a good amount of acceleration tape. Okay, and if I were you, I would just rip it right off. Now we need to attach the spark tape to the bottom of the toy car using the masking tape. Small piece of tape. And we need to tape this to the under of the car. So think about how this car is going to be running and how the tape needs to be threaded through. So we are going to tape, and then we need to tape to the underneath of the car. All right, so wind the car by pulling it back at least 2 floor tiles. You may need to adjust the spark tape so that the car is wound and touching the wooden part of the acceleration device. So we want our tape out behind us. I'm going to start my acceleration device there. Wind the car back 2 tiles. Okay, my car is now touching the acceleration device. I'm going to turn the acceleration device on, and I'm going to let the car go. And then I'm going to turn this off. That is the main part of the data collection. And now you will see, if you look closely at the tape, you can see all sorts of tiny blue dots that have been made all along the tape. They get farther and farther spread out as you go. See those little blue dots? Okay. After you have done that, you can put everything away, and all you need left is your tape. Please take the battery out of the device so that it doesn't drain the battery. Okay. That's it for the data collection part. In the second part of this video, I will go through how to work on with the tape and all the calculations.